Transition skill 7 times a day when the bell rings, right? When the bell rings. Now I want you to think about how many times a day they transition in between that. From get your book out, put your book away. Take out a pencil, pay attention up here. Change seats, work in a group. Pull out this material, that material. Oh, by the way, I changed what I was going to give you. Some kids have a breakdown. We transition kids so many times a day, it's almost impossible to count them. And that's a cognitive skill. So if you have a kid who's struggling behaviorally because they can't seem to shift from one thing to another, you got to give them a heads up. The recommendation I give to all my staff and teachers is I say to kids, this is transition. Okay, we're going to transition to something else. Use the word transition. We're going to transition to the writing part. We're going to transition to this part. Until that kid is able to say, oh, this is a transition. I know what to do with my brain now. But every time we transition, we're preparing the brain for something else. And if you're not good at it, you act out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.